Hey guys, welcome back to another how-to video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to send a snap from your camera roll as a snap without using any filters. It's super easy, so let's get into it. On Snapchat, go to your chats with the person you want to send the snap to. Click on camera. Now on the camera screen, start swiping through the filters until you get all the way to the end. At the end, you'll see an option that says Explore, so go ahead and tap on it. It will bring up a filter library. In the search bar, type Upload. You'll see a bunch of results, but what I usually use is the one called Upload Photos. But honestly, most of the upload filters work the same way, so just pick one if mine doesn't pop up. Once the filter loads, tap anywhere on the screen and your camera roll will pop up. You can hit View All if you want to see more photos and then select the one you want to send. Tap the shutter button like you're taking a snap and then hit the send button with your friend's name. And that's it. They will get it as a snap, no filters or anything extra. If this video helped, give it a like, subscribe for more quick tips, and I'll catch you in the next one.